Yes, it's the daytime, but I've got to do a little video of these Bengal Fuegos. You'll get the idea of the colours. Purple, green, blues, a few light them on. You get to see them. Once they get going, they really are different colours, each one, as you'll see. So I don't know if you can see that. The first one's purple, second one's red, third one's blue, fourth one's green, fifth one's yellow. And I think you can probably see that from the camera. Definitely different colours. Lovely little flame on them. Lovely little pack of fireworks in. Blue one.